Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from overview to funding in 2025. If you're dealing with USDT, which is Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, this guide will help you move your funds smoothly between sections in your exchange or wallet app. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to do this? The overview section typically shows your overall balance, while funding is where you might withdraw or use funds for trading. It's a common step for managing your crypto portfolio, especially with updates coming in 2025 that make interfaces even more user-friendly. To get started, make sure you're logged into your exchange account, like Binance or a similar platform. Once you're in, head straight to the Overview tab. This is usually on the main dashboard where you can see your total assets. Look for your USDT balance and select it. You'll see an option to transfer or move funds. Click on that. Next, choose Funding as your destination. Double-check the amount you want to transfer to avoid any mistakes. Remember, USDT transfers are quick, but always verify network fees and confirmations. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a summary screen. Enter any required security codes, like 2FA, to keep your assets safe. Once the transfer is complete, head back to the funding section to see your USDT there. It should only take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the platform. Pro tip: always keep an eye on market volatility and use this feature during off-peak hours to minimize risks. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from overview to funding in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it'll save you time in your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.